What is SPC Vinyl Flooring? SPC Vinyl Flooring stands for Stone Plastic Composite Vinyl Flooring. Similar to WPC Vinyl, an SPC vinyl is an engineered luxury vinyl that combines limestone and stabilizers to create an extremely durable core. An SPC vinyl floor is still 100% waterproof but adds stability, dent resistance, and structure to vinyl plank flooring. SPC vinyl flooring construction. An SPC vinyl has several main layers. Wear layer. The wear layer is the top coating on the vinyl floor that is transparent. This adds scratch and stain resistance to the vinyl plank. Vinyl top coat. Each SPC vinyl floor will have a thin layer of vinyl attached to it. This layer is waterproof and will contain the pattern, texture and look of the floor. SPC Core. The SPC Core is made by combining limestone powder and stabilizers to create a dimensionally stable and waterproof core. Attached underlayment. SPC vinyl floors may or may not come with attached underlayment. These are usually included to help with sound reduction and add softness to the floor. Benefits of SPC vinyl flooring. SPC vinyl is becoming one of the most popular floors to install for a variety of reasons. If you're a homeowner, property manager or business owner, SPC vinyl flooring may be a great option for your next project. Waterproof. This is one of the biggest factors in choosing an SPC vinyl. It is 100% waterproof, which means it can be installed in kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms and restaurants without worry. Stability in temperature fluctuations. With the stone construction, an SPC vinyl core is more stable in environments with temperature changes, such as cabins, homes with AC units and homes with humidity fluctuations. Appearance. SPC vinyl flooring can have a variety of looks, textures and styles. It will be hard to believe they are vinyls. DIY installation. SPC vinyl flooring is a click-lock installation system. It is installed similarly to a regular vinyl and laminate with a tongue and groove installation. No glues or extra tools are required. This is a floor for the everyday DIYer. Comfort. The SPC vinyl floor is going to feel more sturdy and cushioned underfoot than a traditional vinyl due to the dense core and thickness of the plank. A thicker plank will give you more comfort. Also, some SPC vinyls will have attached underlayment that adds to the softness underfoot. If it does not have attached underlayment, you can opt for an LVT-specific underlayment to install over the subfloor. Sound. With a dense core, this plank tends to have a quieter sound. You will not hear a hollow sound when you walk on it. Affordability. SPC vinyl plank flooring is very budget-friendly. Depending on the brand and features, you can find SPC vinyl in a variety of price ranges. Features like attached underlayment, texture and edges can increase a floor's price. Easy maintenance and cleaning. An SPC vinyl will have the same cleaning and maintenance needs as a regular vinyl. These planks are designed to be easily cleaned with regular sweeping and mopping. With all the benefits of SPC vinyl flooring, you can see why this is such a highly rated material. From a cushion step to dent resistance and waterproof core, you can't go wrong with an SPC vinyl. Whether it is for a busy home, rental property or business, this floor does it all.